From USA. Dear Pastor Chris, thank you for the opportunity. My question is listening to music a sin? By this I mean music other than spiritual songs. Thank you. Well, all music has a message. No matter what music you're listening to, if it's music, it's got a message. Even if you're just listening to some instrumental, it's got a message. Music goes to your spirit because music comes really from the realm of the spirit. So it always sends a message, consciously or unconsciously, into your spirit. Sooner or later, you will go in the direction of that message that you've been listening to. So that's where the danger is. If you keep listening to the kind of music that's got the wrong message, after a while, you act in that direction. Just remember, there is a message behind every music. So it matters what message you're sending down to your spirits, because you're going to become, sooner or later, the character of the message you've been listening to. So make a choice. That's why we tell Christians, be careful what music you listen to. Listen to God's kind of music only.